So I got this bed cleaned out yesterday. I showed in the video how absolutely nice it is. And like I said in the video, that this truck I was moving and it used, I mean, this was years and years ago, and it was used as storage. So I'm going through the cab now. I've got a box of C10 parts here from another truck, another box of C10 parts here, and then some other GM vehicle I parted out. So I'm going through this and trying to organize it and get it put up so I can get the truck cleaned out and get ready to take this seat out and get ready to get it ready to go. So I'm trying to, I spent a little bit of time picking up parts and organizing parts this morning. My brake lines are supposed to be out for delivery today, so I should see them here in a little bit, and that'll be nice to be able to get them on the frame before I put too much stuff in the way for it. I've got 3 alternator brackets here, so I need to clean one of them up, or a set of them, and get that ready to go on the engine. So just trying to make some things happen this morning. Was looking at this center fender on the passenger side's eat up pretty bad, and the bottom of the radiator support is actually a lot, well, it's got a lot of it eaten up. But I've got another radiator support and some inner fenders over here that come off another truck that I had fixed up some years ago, and this passenger side inner fender does not look as bad, and I've got a core support right here that it's got a little bit more of it left. I don't know. I kind of wanted to keep the core support and all the body panels for the truck together as I could, but then want to paint it and clean it up, and I don't know if I can save that sticker right there, you know, tape around it and make it look decent. So I might just put this core support up and use that other one, clean it up and paint it. So I don't know, I'm kind of trying to decide, but in the meantime, like I said, I'm cleaning this truck out and putting these parts up and trying to get it to where I can get in here and get the seat out and get this fuel tank out and get the sending unit in here and getting that part of it ready when I take this cab off. So that's kind of where we're at. It's warming up real nice. It was really cold this morning, so I'm not ready for paint. I'm a long ways from being ready to paint, so I don't know. I might just, there's nothing I've got to paint right now. I mean, I want to paint the brackets and the power steering pump, but if push come to shove, I can spray bomb them. And I really don't want to mix up base, clear single stage and then have mixed up too much. I mean, so I try to get enough stuff together to paint at one time that I'm not wasting any paint. So I guess what we're going to do right now, I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do is get this cab cleaned out. So that's what we're going to work on. So I told you guys, you know, the windshield in the Cheyenne's broke, and I told you I'd found a windshield. And this windshield right here, it's a tinted windshield, and that's pretty cool. It's even got a decent looking inspection sticker in it. So this is the windshield that I'm gonna put in the truck. So I'll get it cleaned up and get this thing ready to go in. So that'll be cool. I knew I had some windshields, but I didn't know if I had a tinted one, but I do, and it actually came out of a 71, which is cool. So this truck right here was the first one of these 67 to 72 C10s that I bought. This truck started it all. And when I bought this truck, there really wasn't, you could buy a few little trim things, but you couldn't buy body panels really. There wasn't a whole bunch of patch panels made for them. And I mean, there were some rockers and cab corners and stuff like that, but far as fenders and doors and that kind of thing, and they were really expensive if you could find them. And so this truck started, you know, as I was looking for parts, nobody would sell just like a fender or a door if they had a truck. They wanted to, this is the headliner out this truck right here. They wanted to sell a whole truck, so that's what started all this. I'd find one and pick it up for parts, and then it'd really be too nice a truck to take apart. And so that's where my collection of these trucks came from. This truck started everything. And so I've held on to them for years, and now it's time to start. I've got time and maybe a little bit of money where I can work on them, and so I'm gonna start. This one I'm gonna fix for myself, and then I've got some more that I'm gonna fix up and sell. So like I said, as I'm cleaning this out, I'm gonna try to put this stuff up in the C10 spot. It's like that's definitely mounts and stuff for a C10 cab. So I'll put all this stuff together where I can find it when I get started. As you can see, these door panels right here are Cheyenne door panels. They're just like what's on this truck. And the headliner's the same thing. You know, all these trucks didn't come with headliners. Only real nice of the Cheyennes or the CSTs come with headliners. So I've had some base models, but I've had a few. But this is by far the 71 Cheyenne right here is the nicest truck that I've got, and it was, like I said, the first one that I bought. So anyhow, we're gonna try to get this stuff organized. Just hang tight and we'll show you. So we got this thing pretty much cleaned out now. And as you can see, it's the original seat cover, and it's just got the bad place on the driver's side right here. It's like two rip places. The back actually looks really nice. That's the factory headliner that fell down because some goober put cab marker lights on this thing back in the day, which I guess was a thing back then. These transmission cooling lines don't go to this, I don't think. Got a factory style jack. I don't know if it's out of this truck or not. There's another one there. The corner of a dash cluster, which was not this truck. And of course there was something living in here because all kind of nutshells, but pretty much this cab corner looks really nice, or rocker looks really nice. The one on this side, it looks like it got eaten out on the top side where moisture's set, but by and large not that bad. This truck still got carpet in it. Looks like the factory carpet, and it's in really good shape for its age. So, and the glove box liner's still in the glove box, which is crazy. But anyhow, overall, really nice truck, which I already knew that. But we're almost ready to get this seat out and get on some other stuff. So we're plugging away at it. I'm liking what I see, which I knew it was a good truck. I mean, it was a good truck when I bought it, and it's not gotten significantly worse. But anyhow, we're plugging away. Hopefully here shortly our brake lines will be in and we can get started on them. Of course, we got to get the seat out of this, get the gas tank and fuel cylinder in this, get the evaporator box off of here and get the heater core put in this, in the cab, while we got really easy access to it. And so we're moving right along. It's not going to be long before we'll have a roller. My A-frames are supposed to be here by Friday. Today's Wednesday. So by Sunday or Monday, we should have a roller. And then we'll be working on trying to quick step it to get the cabin bed on here. So we're going to keep on. Just stay tuned and we'll show you more as we go, but it's getting closer and closer. So thank you.